Hi, in this video, we will see download and install IntelliJ IDEA in Mac machine. So what do you mean by IntelliJ IDEA? This is one of the IDEs to write the Java code or to develop Java-based applications. Okay, so now we'll see how we can download and install IntelliJ in Mac. So go to the google.com, then just download IntelliJ IDEA. Okay, so this is one of the JetBrains products. So download IntelliJ, just click on this first link. And here you have two flavors. One is Ultimate and one is Community. Ultimate means you need to pay something. It's a paid version, but Community is free to use. So for us, you see free built on open source. Okay, Community is enough for us. You see Windows, Mac, Linux. So Mac, click on Mac and then you see download here. Okay, just click on download. This is enough to learn Java and to develop applications. You see, thank you for downloading IntelliJ IDEA. Your download will start shortly. You see inside in this, you see the version is 2021.3.1. So by depending upon the size and your internet speed, it will take some time. You see 740 MB. So it will take some time. So it took some time. Yeah, it's almost done. So it's completed. So just show in Finder. So this is the one, IDEA LC-2021.3.1.dmg. Okay, so just double click on this. So it's opening that. First it will verify. So these softwares will take much space. You see that it is done and it's just asking me to drag this to your applications. So just click and hold and move to this applications and leave. So it went to the, see, it is copying to your IntelliJ IDEA CE to your applications. It is, you see, 2.37 GB, the total. Yeah, it's done. I think you just close this and go to your applications. Click on this applications in the left side. So you can see, you see IntelliJ IDEA CE. You just double click on this. It will take some time to open. For the first time, it will verify something. We should have patience. So let it be, it is taking some time. So this is also one of the best IDEs to develop the Java applications. The same way like IntelliJ is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Yes, go ahead and open. We can trust the application. So for the first time, you see that it is asking us to accept the terms and conditions. Click on this and continue. If you want to send something, some information to the statistics to the JetBrains, you can click on this, send anonymous data. Otherwise, don't send. It's not mandatory. You see that it will look like this. community 2021.3. So this is the welcome screen. You see left side, you have projects, customize plugins, learn IntelliJ idea, something like that. You have a new project, open, get from a version control system, something like that. Okay. So if you want to click a new project, yeah, now it will ask you to create a Java project. You say Java, Maven, Gradle, Android, Groovy, Kotlin. You can develop different types of applications using this IntelliJ. So I just click on Java, and then you see that a project SDK, it is taking 17 that we installed. Next. And you can click next. And you can give project name, and it will, the project location is in idea projects. And then, so if you want to change, you can change this one. So I'm not changing. I can say sample project and click finish. So now it will open your IntelliJ with the sample project. You see that sample project. You're preparing some workspace. The minimum things what it needed, it will download. So it will give you tip of the day. If you want to know some shortcuts, all these things, it will give. Don't show these tips. Okay, don't show tips. Click on this and then close. So now it will not give. If you want, you don't check the checkbox. Okay. So this is the IntelliJ idea. So now in the left side, you have you will have project. In the right side here, you can write the code. Okay, still some process are happening. So this is how in the left side you'll have a project. In the right side, you can create the files and you can write the code. So it's still saying indexing JDK 17. So first time it will download whatever it needs to work. So don't bother about all those things. So, but typically this is the process that download and install IntelliJ in Mac machine. Okay. And then what could be the possible interview questions? So most of the times nobody will ask these type of questions. So what is the purpose of IntelliJ idea? If you are a less experienced, people might ask, means you have an idea where you will write the code, right? So what is the purpose of IntelliJ and which version you are using? Okay, how you will get the IntelliJ idea into your machine? So most of the times nobody will ask, but okay. So that's all in this video. Thank you.